Look at this, guys. Look at this. Nuclear power plant warning for Cumberland and Salem, New Jersey. But listen to the message here.
Extremely superbly rare.
Let's get a screenshot.
Well, listen to the message.
Where's the
City
final one?
Authority has issued a nuclear plant warning for Cumberland, New Jersey, and Salem, New Jersey, beginning at 07:31 p.m. and ending at 09:31 p.m. Message from IPASCAT. This is a test. This message is for people in New Jersey only. At approximately 7:20 p.m. today, a routine test of the Salem/Hope Creek nuclear generating station's siren system was conducted. Officials from the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management advised that there is no emergency at the Salem/Hope Creek nuclear generating station. For additional information, the public may call the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management Public Inquiry Line at 1-609-963-6900 option 2 or refer to their Salem/Hope Creek said emergency plan information calendar. Delaware residents should contact the Delaware Emergency Management Agency or refer to their Salem/Hope Creek said emergency plan information calendar for further information. This is a test.
Holy crap, that's big.
Yeah.
That was rare.
That-
We have a Duke tornado warning Saskatchewan.
This is extremely rare to see.
What group would issue something like that?
That is not.
I have never seen this. Like, this is a siren test at the Salem nuclear station, and this test message was toned with the live code.
That's not.
That is the live code nuclear power plant warning on WJON.
Oh, hey, this is WGO Windwalker. Just on nuclear
I
power
can't
plant.
even imagine how rare this is. This
You
is
see another nuclear power plant warning once again.
probably another test message.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Yeah, this is
That
this.
is
Yeah, this
weird.
it's the same test message but on a different source. But yeah, look at here's the that was the iPause, but here's the here is the info on the second source. I'm at loss for words. I have never seen this before. This is my rarest capture ever, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.